A group of medical experts is questioning one of the most common tests for prostate cancer. They say it's leading to unnecessary treatments. However, advocacy groups claim it is saving patients. Tracy Tong with their warnings that stopping this kind of screening could cost hundreds of lives.
What the result will be is over 1,000 men, fathers, sons, brothers, husbands, more than today, will die because we won't be able to catch the cancer early.
First, they targeted mammograms. Now they're after PSAs.
You tell me if I'm hurting you.
The Canadian Task Force for Preventative Health Care recommends men not screen for prostate cancer with the prostate-specific antigen test, saying it does more harm than good. The task force, established by the Federal Public Health Agency, says PSAs only reduce 0.1% of prostate cancer deaths and blames it for overdiagnosing, which leads to unnecessary treatments.
The two major ways to treat prostate cancer when it's found early are radiation treatment or surgical treatment, and both of those treatments can affect sexual function as well as urinary function.
Cancer doctors here believe that the guidelines are mainly based on the U.S. healthcare system, where many patients will go from diagnosis straight to treatment, whereas here in Canada, there's a process called active surveillance.
We take men with the non-life-threatening forms and monitor them and observe them so they don't suffer the morbidity associated with prostate cancer treatment.
It's not something we know much about or we want to talk about.
It's a health issue men are already squeamish about discussing. Prostate Cancer Canada, who advocates early detection, worries these new guidelines will stop even more men from getting screened.
If it's health below the waist and we ain't bragging, we ain't talking about it. So this task force is just feeding more confusion rather than allowing men to get information where they would take charge of their health.
So what should men do then? Just ignore these guidelines?
Yes. And the doctor should ignore the guidelines.
Prostate Cancer Canada has organized an event taking place this Friday that will offer up free PSA tests for all men over the age of 40. You can find event details on our website, citynews.ca. On Hospital Row, I'm Tracy Tong, City News.